cut off its leg, it grows a new one, damage its heart, it rebuilds it. Cut into its brain. Yeah, that comes back too. This is the axolotl, and it might be the single most impossible animal alive. 12 facts. Let's go. Fact 1. It never grows up. Every other salamander loses its gills and crawls onto land. The axolotl just refuses. It keeps those feathery gills and that upturned mouth its whole life, which is why it always looks like it's smiling. It's basically a permanent baby. Fact 2. That smile is on a body about the size of your hand, 6 to 12 inches of pure weird. Fact 3. It comes in a whole rainbow. Wild ones are dark and mottled. Pet ones are that famous bubblegum pink. There are golden albinos and jet black ones called melanoids. And fact 4, this one's real. Scientists have engineered axolotls that glow fluorescent green under UV light. A living, regenerating, glow-in-the-dark salamander. The regrowth is the main event. Fact 5, where you'd form a scar, it forms a blastema. Its own cells rewind to an embryonic state and rebuild the whole limb, bone, muscle, and nerve in about a month. Fact 6, nearly half of that new limb is built from skin cells. Fact 7, no nerve, no regrowth. Cut the nerve and it just stops. Not a patch, a perfect replacement every time. Fact 8, how do the cells know what to build? They use a chemical GPS. A gradient of retinoic acid runs along the limb, high at the shoulder, low at the hand. Each cell reads its position and builds exactly what belongs there. Fact 9, in 2025, scientists found a gene behind it, shox, and it's the same gene that sets human height. The same instruction running in them and in us. And it doesn't stop at limbs. This is fact 10, and it's the wild one. The axolotl regrows its spinal cord and walks away. It rebuilds heart tissue with no scar. It regenerates parts of its brain. Researchers have even transplanted eyes and pieces of brain into one and watched it wire them in and switch them on. Almost anywhere you break it, it just rebuilds. Which makes fact 11 the cruel one. The animal that can't be killed by injury is nearly gone from the wild. In its only home, a lake under Mexico City, numbers crashed from 6,000 per square kilometer to basically 0 in 15 years. Fact 12, almost every axolotl on Earth descends from under 36 animals. It beat injury, but it might not beat us. So if this little smiling alien amazed you even once, subscribe. Next impossible animal drops soon. Psst.